I'm Lola Nora, and today we're going to be making vegetable lumpia. We're going to start with garlic, onions, celery, carrots, and parsley, plus our long beans and cabbage. I'm cutting the long beans into tiny pieces for our vegetable lumpia. And next will be our onions. Now that the onions are translucent, we're going to put in the celery and cook that for about 3 minutes. The garlic. Now it's time for the green beans. And cook them for about 5 minutes. Now we're ready to put in the carrots and the parsley.
How many carrots?
3 carrots and about 5 stalks of parsley. It's best to chop all of your vegetables in very small pieces because we are going to wrap this up with a lumpia wrap. I'm now adding the chopped cabbage to the rest of the ingredients. And we'll let this cook for about 10-15 minutes. Now I'm ready to add the seasoning, which is fish sauce, but you have to be very careful not to add too much because it's very salty. Instead of salt, this is what we normally use for seasoning in the Philippines. I'm going to stir it. Now I'm going to cover the vegetables to cook for about 15 minutes. We don't really want to overcook the vegetables. The filling for the vegetable lumpia, it's ready, and now we will have to let it cool off before we can roll it up. Now we're getting ready to wrap the lumpia. This is my favorite wrapper. It's individually packed and it's a product of the Philippines. Okay, this is how the lumpia wrapper looks like, individually wrapped with wax paper in between. They're a little more expensive, but so much easier to use. Filling my lumpia with my cooled vegetables, carrots, cabbage, onions, garlic, and a little bit of seasoning. Make sure it's cool, because if it's not cool, you will not be able to wrap it. It's going to fall apart. Now that it's filled, we're going to start rolling it tightly. Put water on the edge of your wrapper so it will stick together. Just keep on rolling. Okay, we're almost ready for the lumpia. We're going to pour about an inch of canola oil in a deep pot. The reason why I'm using this is because I don't want the oil to splatter out while we're cooking. We need to put a thermometer in the oil because it's very important to cook your lumpia at 350 degrees. If it's too cool, then the lumpia will be soggy, and if it's too hot, then you will have burnt lumpia. We're testing the oil to see if it's hot enough by dropping a piece of bread. Perfect. Now we're ready. Here comes the lumpia. Now we're going to turn it over. It's golden brown on the other side. We have to make sure that the other side is golden brown also. Perfect. taking out the lumpia and draining it on paper towels. Nice and golden brown, ready to take out.